Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick video. If you might hear some sneezing in the background, Seamus came in from a little voyage outside and so he's sneezy. But I'm here because I have a quick little unboxing. I have a package from Chic Sparrow that arrived. I contacted Ruth and Jennifer, I guess last week. And everyone knows my love for the tiny passport, not the nano or the micros, but the passport, the one that started it all. And here's my little collection that I have of Chic Sparrow passports. Here's my Mr. Darcy in Burgundy, the VIP order that I created. So it's a one of a kind, and I love this design with the card pockets on both sides. Then the next one I got was this beautiful dark chocolate creme, and I used this one for quite a bit. You can see it's all scuffed up and loved. And then this is one that I got recently from the Second Chance sale. It is the Mr. Darcy leather, and it is in the toffee color, and it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful leather. But I contacted them, and if you have watched my channel this last week or two, you can hear Seamus growling. You can see that I got a creme in the Black Beauty, and I wanted to see if they had any left from the Second Chance sale, and they did. So I have a Chic Sparrow in the creme Black Beauty. Oh, we have to smell it. Oh, it smells just as wonderful as my personal and all the other ones I've gotten. And look how beautiful that is. So it's just like the others. It's a piece of leather. Hold on just one moment. The dog is having a fit. I'll be right. Okay, we're back. So you can see it's just a classic with stitching. So it's the beautiful piece of black leather with black elastics. And it is beautiful. Last night, because I had gotten this beautiful pocket-sized Bella, I made some new calendars, and so at the moment, the size made me miss my Gemini in the London fog. So I made up a new calendar, just like I have in my personal size, and it's in the field note size. So when I tire of this, I have this beautiful new piece of, let's smell it again. This leather, the creme brulee, that caramely color, the dark chocolate, and the Black Beauty are the ones that, like, they just smell so amazing. Like when you think of what good leather, like, you know, going to a boot shop or you know, a boot and belt and leather shop, or like when you think of walking into the leather tandy, what it would smell like. This is that smell. It's just like intoxicating. So what I will do is, you all know the drill. I will link Chic Sparrow down below. I don't know if they have any more passports left. It was, you know, like right after the Second Chance sale, and I thought I would, you know, I got a beautiful one. I did. I got a beautiful Mr. Darcy toffee, which is lovely. But I was like, I wonder, just if by chance they might have one or two hanging around for the next Second Chance sale. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.